Okay, class, after looking at questionnaire method, let us also look at interview method. We want to see how it works. Interviewing is an art of getting information through holding a dialogue with a respondent. There are two parties involved. One is a respondent, another one is a researcher. The researcher asks questions to the respondent, and the respondent answers these questions face to face. The person asking questions is a researcher, and another one answering questions is a respondent. For example, if you look at this picture here, there are two people involved, one on the left and another one on the right. One is a respondent, another one is a researcher. Conditions that favor interviews. For an interview to go on well and smoothly, there must be conditions. Number one, the researcher should behave in a respectable manner as he or she approaches the respondent. Respect. The researcher should allow all the answers to come from the respondent without interference. Otherwise, when the respondent begins to answer and the researcher criticizes him, that interview will lose meaning. The interviewer should use the language the respondent understands and finds it comfortable to use. If there is language barrier, interview will not go on smoothly. The researcher should create a friendly atmosphere so that the respondent feels free and relaxed. These two people should be free to each other. Otherwise, when one is in fear, the interview may not go on smoothly. The researcher should ensure that all the data given is held with great confidentiality. There should be a secret. The respondent and the researcher at least should have a secret between themselves, not a matter of releasing whatever the researcher collects or the respondent answers. The interviewer should avoid making unnecessary interruptions during the interview session. That is clear. The researcher should have good communication skills. Should be able to communicate effectively. The researcher should give a word of appreciation before asking another question. When the respondent answers, the researcher should appreciate. For example, he may say, "Thank you." Politely, he may say, "Thank you" to the respondent. "Well done." And this one will motivate the respondent to keep on answering. Thank you.